Architecture is the shaping of space for human life. It is thoughtful, intentional, purposeful. The best architecture makes life more human, creating structure that supports, restores, and inspires. At Conexeu, we believe the human body deserves the same approach, because what is more human than designing for the body itself? Through elegant extracellular design, Conexeu is architecting bioregeneration, creating structures that work with the body's own biology to support restoration, renewal, and exceptional outcomes, not by filling, not by masking, but by designing with intention. A new blueprint for healing, a new blueprint for aesthetics, a new blueprint for the future. Conexeu, architecting bioregeneration.